Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if high volume button and low volume buttons not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to restore your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the error, so you can also try another way. So just try to make forced restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So if you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make forced restart. So on this model of iPhone you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button. It means that you successfully made forced restart. So after, you just need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made forced restart. So just wait until your system will load. So I hope that it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.